So, official videos of the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra are out, and they don't just tease, they practically lay everything on the table. From design changes to performance, Samsung is showing its hand early, and the details are worth digging into. To make things interesting, Android headlines leaked the entire set of marketing material, including high-quality photos and 3 full promo videos, which reveal some critical updates and a few controversial downgrades. The first video emphasizes design. The Tab S11 Ultra is now 0.3 millimeters thinner and 26 grams lighter than its predecessor, but somehow manages to fit in a 400 mAh larger battery. It might sound minimal, but for users holding an ultra-sized tablet for hours, this makes a real difference. The second video demonstrates Google Gemini integration, with voice commands analyzing on-screen content in real time, signaling tighter AI involvement. The third clip shows Samsung's wireless DeX mode, running simultaneously on the tablet and an external display without cables, clearly aimed at productivity-driven users. On the display front, Samsung has finally addressed brightness limitations. The Tab S11 Ultra and S11 now reach 1000 nits for outdoor use and 1600 nits HDR brightness, compared to 930 nits HDR on the S10 Ultra and just 650 on the S10 Plus. This leap finally puts Samsung's tablets on par with Apple's iPad Pro, a much-needed update. But the bigger talking point is the redesigned S Pen. It now sports a pencil-like hexagonal shape with a sharper tip. Some may appreciate the more natural design, but the real issue isn't aesthetics, it's functionality. By shifting to a full aluminum housing, Samsung removed the plastic strip used for wireless charging, and no alternative charging solution is shown. That means Bluetooth features are gone. Air gestures, remote shutter, and other advanced pen functions are no longer supported. It's a puzzling move, especially since Samsung continues to market this tablet as the ultimate productivity tool, making this feel like a step backward. Performance looks strong on paper, with Samsung claiming a 24% CPU boost, 27% GPU boost, and 33% faster NPU compared to the S10 Ultra. Geekbench scores around 2,500 single-core and 8,700 multi-core support these numbers. Still, they fall behind the Galaxy S25 Ultra, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, which reaches nearly 3,000 single-core and 9,800 multi-core. Samsung's choice to use a MediaTek chip here, despite the $1,200 price point, raises questions about value. Other changes include repositioned keyboard pins, the removal of separate camera rings, and 2 color options, gray and silver. Thankfully, Samsung didn't remove the microSD card slot, a feature many users still rely on. As for pricing, Samsung is holding steady at last year's $1,199 for the Ultra model, which is at least one piece of good news.